how to do video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can use the editing tools in Premiere Pro to select, cut, and trim individual clips as you shape your story. You can use your keyboard shortcuts to switch between tools faster. So first, after you import your media into the project in Premiere Pro, you can see all your clips assembled in a sequence on the timeline. You are ready to start editing now. So basically just trim a clip, or cut a clip, or reposition a clip. Those are the basics of editing on the timeline in Premiere Pro. So just select the timeline and choose what tool you want to do. You can choose the razor tool to position it over the timeline and then simply just position it. And take note, editing on the timeline is non-destructive and you can trim, cut and copy and move clips without altering the original media, and all of your original media is available in the project panel. You can also add or remove clips. You can even remove the gaps as well by simply just dragging the clips that you cut or just do a ripple edit. And it works faster with keyboard shortcuts like using V to switch selection tool. Now those are just basic of editing video. You can also do some sequences and a lot of generative extent, cut some trims, and add some video and audio. You can also do some best practices like mixing audio faster, editing efficiently. Then, for the hardware or the advanced editing, you can do some video effects and transitions. You can add modern transitions, effects, and animations in Premiere Pro. So basically, there's some multiple effects types like tools effects, lights and blurs, essential effects, and motions. You can even do some adjustments like titles and graphics for captions or text captions, like about the properties panel. You can add captions on your video editing like like right here, you can add what can I do with the properties, you can add text by people with talking, add subtitles, you can even do motion graphics. And there's a lot more. You can even do color corrections and grading. You can collect the colors, add some color management, and then you can also configure by exporting the media. And after you finish your project, you can now simply export the whole timeline and then get your full finished video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.